Hi guys, I am back. I had a whole series of boxes. This is not even all of them. This is like some of them that I still haven't done. And I literally just got all my boxes in a row. So I'm filming all these videos all in a row and then I'll kind of decide when I want to release them. But today's video is about this Tarte. You guys know I love Tarte. And Tarte's birthday celebration was this week. And they were doing like the 7 days of birthday sale. And one of the days they had a mystery birthday bag for $35. And of course, me being a sucker, I cannot stand giving up on a good mystery bundle, especially on a brand that I generally like almost everything that comes out of their stuff. I love their eyeshadows. I love their mascaras. I love their skin products. Like, I just love their stuff. So I figured 35 bucks, their stuff's good. You know, it's worth it. And they were having a sale on other stuff and you get free shipping for $40. So I added one other thing to bring myself up to 40. And then I got this in the mail pretty quickly. So I'm going to go over it today. I've already opened it up. So and they always throw in some samples. So here's my little samples. I got this as my little thing that brought it up. I think this was on sale for like 10 bucks. And the reason I got it is I really do like this little lip gloss. I've done another video on this Tarte haul. I like the little lip gloss and I like the face wipes. They smell like oranges. And I absolutely adore this lifted mascara. And it was on a FabFitFun sale and it was on sale for like $13, which is a good price because this is normally like $23. But then I saw this for $10 and I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this because I like the lip gloss. I like the lipstick. I like this. I don't mind this lotion, though I may give it up because I already have one of them. And then I like that. So I was like, for 10 bucks, I get all of this stuff instead of just the thing, and I like the other things. But this is the real reason I got this. This is the mystery birthday bundle. So they said that there were going to be, I believe, 5 full-size items. Let me see. 4 full-size items. 4 full-size items. And so they offered 4 full-size items, and one of them was definitely going to be a palette. So I was like, can't go wrong. This is going to be great. So this is the bag, Own Your Crown. I'm not loving this bag, but it's not a horrible bag. Like, it is a very nicely done bag. I wish it didn't have all of this on there. But from this end, it's a really cute bag. So it came in the bag, and it is pretty flat. But let's go into it. So the first one is the Tartelette Teas. So they have a bunch of these different Tartelette Teas, and I saw someone else's mystery thing, and I was like, oh, I wish I'd gotten your eyeshadow one. Not that mine is bad, but they had one that was like this really pretty colors. So my Tartelette Teas one is, or maybe it'll look the same on my camera, but mine is all kind of like brown colors. And so this is what it looks like. And this is what the things look like here. Oh no, actually I have the same one as the other video. So interestingly enough, don't be fooled by this, but on the video this looks like it's more of a gray purple look, but in real life these are just browns. These are different shades of browns. They're pretty. It's a good everyday palette. Actually, for a travel palette, I like this better than my other one, Tarte Pro Go or whatever I have. And I love the Amazonian clay ones. But it is kind of a boring palette, and it's just a little 6-shade palette. Like, I was thinking maybe they were going to give us something a little bit bigger. But this is not bad. So I'm just going to swatch a few shades for you guys. Like, I will use this palette because, again, I love Tarte products, and you can't go wrong with Tarte products. But I will say I was a little let down with it. I thought it was going to be something a little bit different. But this is 6 shades. They are all in the brown range. And it's really hard to see the lighter shades on me, so you guys probably can't see them very well. But yeah, the 2 light colors are so light on me that you can't even see them on my arms. The darker shades are just kind of different browns. And then the middle shades are kind of like these shimmery medium browns. They're pretty. I will use this. This is a great travel palette. So I'm not unhappy about this product, but when they advertise a full-size palette, you're thinking, oh, I'm going to get like one of their bigger ones. Wah wah, little tiny palette. Should have known better. Next product is this. This is the Tarte Lip Sculptor in the color Candid. I already have one of these that I don't reach for that often. It is a really pretty color. I'm not going to swatch. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to put this in a giveaway since I already have one of these and everything. So I'm going to give this away to somebody. It's a great product. Unfortunately, it's not in the box. So I don't know if I'll give it away to like my mom or I'll put it in an actual giveaway since I don't have the box for it. And my other one that I have, I didn't keep the box for, but I promise you, if I put this in a giveaway, I have not used this, but that is this one. So this is not a bad product. The irony, this is the Tarte Lifted. So I bought this because I adore the Tarte Lifted. So I actually am happy about this. I will stockpile this. I go through this stuff like crazy. This is my absolute favorite mascara. So if you guys don't know about this mascara, it is a sweat-proof mascara. It's not like full-on waterproof, so it's actually easy to get off at the end of the day. But like when I go to work and I work 12 hours or 10 hours and I'm like rubbing on my face, or there's a rainstorm and I walk out into it, I don't have any of that like stuff going down below. It doesn't run if I cry. It doesn't flake underneath. It makes my eyelashes long and voluminous, and it's just nice. Like, I love this. My eyelashes love it. It is a dark chocolatey brownish black, so it's a really natural color. Like, if you want super dramatic eyelashes, this is not your mascara, but if you want like a real natural, like go to work kind of look, this stuff's awesome. So I am very happy with this. And then the final one, when I first saw this, I thought that this was actually a eyeliner, but apparently this is a lip crayon. This is the Tartist, they say it's a lip crayon. It's called On Fleek. I wouldn't use this as a lip crayon, honestly. I mean, I know it's supposed to be a lip liner, but who in their right mind has this color of lipstick? Maybe someone does, I don't know. But this would make a really fantastic eyeliner. So I am going to double check, but I'm going to use that as an eyeliner unless there's some like absolute reason I can't, because it's really pretty for an eyeliner. So my thoughts about this, I'm a little disappointed. I do think I got my value for $35. Like, I will use the palette and I will use the, I don't remember how much these palettes are, but this full price is $23. And this here is probably at least $5 to $10. So right here, these two make up the value of it. If I didn't already have this, I would be very happy with this. This is a $20 item. And then this, as long as I can use it as an eyeliner, I am very happy with it. So I'm going to use everything from here or give it away because I think it's all decent. But I was a little disappointed, I'll be honest. I mean, I'll think twice about doing their next one. I'll probably be suckered into it because I just love Tarte products so much. But, you know, I've had such good luck with like these little things that this kind of was a little bit of a letdown. Especially since this is supposed to be celebrating their birthday. But anyway, what did you guys get? I think pretty much everybody got mostly the same thing, and then the only difference was like the lipstick, lip sculptor color, and maybe the lip crayon color. I think I heard there was a burgundy one, but I'd be curious what you guys got and what you thought of it. But anyway, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. If you guys have not already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys.